In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to configure SSH. So I have a simple topology here. I've got two routers and a switch and two computers. One is connected via this link and one is connected via this console cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to S1 and configure SSH here. I have some notes here that we can follow. So first step is configure hostname. So hostname, that's my hostname. IP domain, you have to specify an IP domain name. In this case, I'm just going to use Cisco. I'm just going to use cisco.com. You'll probably use your company domain name. And next is you have to configure a local account. So username Cisco, secret Cisco, and number 4 you have to generate a key. So crypto key generate RSA. So it's recommended we use a minimum modulus size of 1024 bits. So but I'm actually going to use 2048. Okay, and I'm going to specify the SSH version, and that's number 5. And number 6, I'm going to go to the VTY lines section of the configuration. So begin VTY, and so we have 15 VTY lines, so 0 through 16 rather. So I'm going to specify the transport input SSH, and login should be local because we're just going to use a local account in this case, but you can also use an account that lives on a external server, but we're not doing that in this case. So I'm gonna go ahead and save the config. And last thing you can do is just verify the configuration, right? Oops. Okay, so SSH version 2, IP domain name, let's verify the local account, username, okay, and verify the VTY lines. So can't do section, right? Begin VTY. Alright, so configuration looks good. Let's go to save again. Let's go to PC2 and see if we can SSH into that switch. So I'm just gonna ping it just to make sure that I have IP connectivity to that switch. So IP address is 192.168.1.100. Okay, I can ping it. Now I can go ahead and use this command ssh-l, username is Cisco, and IP address is 192.168.1.100. Password is Cisco. Okay, so we are in the S1 switch. I have not configured a password or an enable password, but we can just do that on the switch, right? Enable secret Cisco. Disable config. Let's go back to PC2. Okay, password is Cisco. Alright. So we have successfully configured SSH on S1, and we have verified our configuration, and we have verified that we can SSH into the switch from PC2.